Health is only for those people who are proactive about it. And if they're not proactive about it, it's very hard for a doctor to come and make you healthy.
They cannot.
It's not something that we can just give you as a gift. Health is a gift you give to yourself. Healthcare in United States, I've seen, is more like sickness management. So it's a management of illnesses. Healthcare has nothing to do with health.
No, it has to do about getting sick.
When your system is falling apart, what are the things that we're going to give you
to fix it?
To fix it.
Yeah, but what about trying to get it so that it's not falling apart?
So that preventative lecture that you need is not covered by your insurance.
But you know what? It's so interesting because, I mean, come on, geriatrics and myself, not everybody wants to be responsible for their own health, right?
True.
How many times have you had a patient who's diabetic and when their blood sugar was elevated and you ask them, well, what are they doing about it? And they look at you with a blank expression on their face and they said, well, I don't know. My doctor's supposed to, I guess, increase the medication.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what are you doing?
Yeah.
And you'll find out that they may not know because they're not told, or they still feel that a medicine is like this magic elixir to make disease go away.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, why not fix it so that we can try to manage or eliminate the disease without having to rely on the medicines? And why don't we slow
100%.
down the degenerative process of the body if we can?
100%.
What are you doing?
Yeah. Yeah. You have to take responsibility for your health. 100% I agree. And if people feel that a medication is going to fix their problems, they don't. They may put a band-aid on one problem. They may cause two other problems for you on the side.
So true.
So the best way is to prevent the disintegration of your system. And even for health and wellness, like people who now I take care of are the ones, like the only ones who actually will stay healthy are the ones who are proactive about it. Yeah. I can't chase everyone.
It's so true.
We can't chase people.
We can't.
You gotta, it's hard. Life is hard enough for our own selves.
Yeah.
We're doing all the things for our own selves too. To stay healthy and okay. And look, Sunday you went for your golf practice.
Yeah.
I am going to go for my, walk and, hike and whatever. Because, to keep ourselves together. So in between, we can offer support of what are the things that people should be doing. I write about it and we talk about it. But the thing is that eventually health is only for those people who are proactive about it. And if they're not proactive about it, it's very hard for a doctor to come and make you healthy.
They cannot.
It's not something that we can just give you as a gift. Health is a gift you give to yourself.